In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update WooCommerce. Keeping WooCommerce up to date is essential for security, performance, and compatibility with your theme, payment gateways, and shipping tools. The quickest and safest way to stay current is to let WordPress handle it for you with automatic updates, and that's exactly what we'll set up now. Start by opening your WordPress website and signing into your dashboard with an administrator account. If you manage a busy store, it's a good habit to keep recent backups or use a staging site for testing. But today, we're simply enabling auto updates so you won't have to run manual updates every time a new version is released. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click Plugins. This is where all installed plugins on your site are listed. If you don't immediately see the full list, click Installed Plugins to view everything that's active or available on your site. Now, locate WooCommerce in the list. If you have many plugins, use the search box at the top right of the page and type WooCommerce to jump straight to it. When you find it, look to the right side of the WooCommerce row. You should see an option related to automatic updates. Click Enable Auto Updates. If you see the auto updates are already enabled, you're set. The link will say Disable Auto Updates instead, which means it's already turned on. By enabling auto updates here, you're authorizing WordPress to automatically download and install new versions of WooCommerce as they become available. This helps ensure you receive important security patches and improvements without having to check back manually. After you enable it, you can leave it at that. If you'd like, you can repeat the same action for other plugins on this page, following the exact same process. A few tips as you wrap up. After updates occur, it's smart to take a quick look at your storefront, add a product to the cart, and confirm checkout still works as expected. Most updates are smooth, but if your store is high traffic, consider scheduling auto updates during low traffic hours. Occasionally, your site may briefly enter maintenance mode during an update, which is normal and usually lasts only a moment. Also, keep an eye on your theme and WordPress core updates since compatibility across all parts of your site is important for a stable store. That's it. Open your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, open Installed Plugins, find WooCommerce, and enable auto updates. With that done, your store will stay current automatically, and you can focus on running your business.